there. Today I have a Prima Marketing mystery box to open and go through with y'all. It came yesterday, and so I cut the tape because I thought that's what it was, and I just took a little peek. I didn't go through anything, but I had to go. I was going to dinner with some friends of mine, so I didn't want to tape yesterday, but so we're going to go through it today. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump, I'm going to dump all this out and come right back, so stick around. Okay, so it turns out I didn't have to dump it all out because it's in this nice plastic bag. I don't remember that from the last one I got, but anyway, looks like some really lovely stuff. Let's see, I don't know if I need my scissors. There we go. I just love these mystery boxes, don't you? So much fun. And I mean, it was $75, and it's just, you get way more than $75 worth of products, and I can always use them. First out the bat, we got this little bottle of flowers. Cute, tiny little flowers. Okay, and I moved my lights around to try not to have too much of a glare. Hopefully, I can just hold this stuff up because this plastic, it's just really hard to avoid a glare. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's fun. Little tags. We've got some script on here. Pretty kind of summer colors. Spring, summer. Very pretty. Oh, I saw these right away. Look at these. Aren't those cool? This is so me. So it's Art Daily Nostalgia. Got a lady on the moon, a little girl. Oh, someone playing the piano. I do that. I have make some of that, some of my papers. I can't talk today, so I'm still in my PJs. I have a really bad cold. I'm hoping my voice holds up, but anyway, just not feeling good today. So hopefully the brain just isn't working either. Must have something to do with not feeling well. So we got T here. She's at the beach. Really cool. I love those. All right, so now, oh, aren't they pretty? The letter D. To see what I can use those for. Valentine's Day's coming up. Maybe D for date. I don't have any family members with the name that starts with a D. I love these. I use these all the time. All the time. Especially on covers. I love those on the covers of mini albums. Here we go, and we got some feathers, flowers and feathers. Very pretty. Oh, nice. Butterfly and flower. I don't have enough white stuff, so that's good. Oh, look, aren't they adorable? Can you tell they're like three-dimensional, and they're on little pop squares, and then there's a square in between them, so they're definitely 3D. Adorable. Ooh, more pearls. Say it with pearls. They will get used up. Then we've got these beautiful like felt flowers. More mini album stuff for sure. Oh, beautiful. More of the white pearls on this one. Hope you can see okay. And I have some more of these, but I don't have these colors, so that's good. Say it with crystals. That's my kitty cat's name. One of my cat's names. We're up to 3 cats now. Oh, aren't they pretty? It was funny, I saw there's like something going around on Facebook now. They have 4 cats, and one of them they call the tuxedo because he's black and white. And I said, I've never had a tuxedo cat, so now I have a new goal. Oh, pretty. Oh, I love these. Those are awesome. Okay, yeah, can use these. And when I rarely sell like physical stuff on my Etsy shop, but when I do, I like to put flowers, you know, like give them a little note with a flower on it. And so that will work out. Oh, isn't that cute? So cute. Got a stamp. A wood stamp. That'll be good junk journaling stuff. More flowers. Cut from fabric. And then we got Memory Lane, Dream Garden, Heritage Road. Okay. And they're like, I think resin, probably resin. Antique signs, it says. More little, say it with crystals, cute. Some more felt flowers and little bows. More felt flowers. Stamps. We got a cute flower stamp and a little, I love these, like you could use these on cards, like a little quotation. I don't know. I can't think today. I'm sorry, everyone. I should just put some music on and go through this because my brain is not working with this cold I've got. Charlie started it, so he had it first. We always blame each other, you know. It's so some black and gray. Yeah, and we got those black and there we go. I'm seeing an idea there. I have some of these. I think I have those colors. Got to get using these up. Oh, pebbles. Adorable. As my granddaughter would say, they're adorable. Cute. Oh, they're like, I thought it was just, so I think they're actually, well, what they're made of, but they're pretty hard. Let's just see real quick. Oh, they are separate. I couldn't tell if they were stacked, but you could very well stack them. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, you could definitely do a little layering thing there. Cute. Beehives. That's what they remind me of. I don't know if that's what they are, but they sure look like a beehive. And some, I still have some of these I got to use up. Oh, monkey! Giraffe and a monkey. Oh, they're cute. Oh my heavens. I got to do something with that. I call Electra monkey all the time because she sounds like a monkey when she kind of squeaks when she talks. She tries to talk to me all the time, and I call her monkey. So that's a good one. Oh, more like little 3D hearts. I've got some Valentine projects coming up, but not necessarily in these colors, but we'll see. Oh, what do we have here? Vintage crankers? I don't know. Cute. We got butterflies, flowers. See, if y'all ever used anything like this, what do you do with it? I mean, I think you could just put it in your book. Oh, it could be a, look. You could use it as a, something to bind with. Ooh. I'm going to do something with this and come back and show you. And then we've got some nice paper clips. Love those, love those. Now this, here we go. Oh, these are so ugly to me. I have two of them I still need to give away. Okay. And then these are pretty. And if you like these, I am so sorry. I don't mean to offend anybody. I mean, maybe someone loves it. I'm sure someone loves these. Everybody has different taste. And, you know, it's just, I don't know. These are cute. Flower centers. And just such a nice variety of things. Some leather. Oh, leather tags. Cool. What we have here, we have trophies, sports and trophies. No one is into sports, so I'll probably be giving these away. You know how you go to crops and you have the table, like take one, give one, whatever. I'll be doing that. Oh, life is splendid. Yes, it is. Isn't she lovely? Nice. And ribbons. Not really ribbon. Well, I guess it is. Very decorative ribbon. Beautiful. Look at, I don't know if you can see that one. That's beautiful. Okay. It's like French tulle, kind of. Pretty. April showers. Happy Day. ATC cards. Let's look at these. Happy Day. Now there's nothing on the back, so you can put whatever you want on the back. You and me. Life is good. Hello there. Make it happen. Peace. Love life. Best day ever. Oh, I love those best day ever ones. Okay. Ooh, cute. Ooh, yes, very cute. I love those. Cool. And some masks. Oh, I have these. I got these. See, that's the only thing about getting these kits. Sometimes you get duplicates, and I haven't used them yet. But anyway, I have these already. Ooh, pretty. I don't have those. These would be good with mixed media. And what do we have here? Fancy felt mats. No way. Oh, Maddie's. Maddie's. Wow. Cool. Have any of y'all ever used these? If you have, let me know and how you used it. I guess I could just go in a mini album, huh? Or any album. I don't know. Ooh, I like pink and gray together. I have a pink and gray book. Pretty. Huh. Interesting. I mean, you could cut them apart too. Have to play with that. Some more crystals. Planner stuff. Flocked rub-ons. Interesting. What's this one? You don't know how I feel when you smile at me like that. Oh, I obviously can't read backwards very fast. Cute. Oh, nice. Chipboards. Chipboard pieces. Beautiful chipboard pieces. Oh, this gives me big time inspiration. I don't know about you, but this is gorgeous. The colors, oh, beautiful. My favorite thing so far. Oh, that's the same as the other ones. I'll be giving this away. Y'all have to come to crops with me. I'm giving stuff away. Cute. Very cute. That could run down the side of a cover, don't you think? Okay, little felt frames. Ooh, more Say with crystals. I'm running low because I used a lot for Christmas. And then we've got some more flowers put together and put a little brad in them. That's what I usually do. Ah, more summer stuff. That is pretty. It matches what those tags we got in the beginning. Rubber stamps. Okay, we got some paper. Oh, first let's look at these. Oh, aren't they gorgeous? So these could hang on your mini album, like on your danglies. If you do junk journal with danglies. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, we got paper. Paper. Oh, did I show you these? Did I see these? No. Oh, I have one of these. There's another duplicate, but oh, pretty. I think we're getting ready for spring. Okay, the Delight collection. Wow. Their papers are so gorgeous. Oh, Christmas. Very pretty. You know what these would be good for? Did you see my video where I folded the paper? It's not supposed to be 12 by 12. I forget what size it was. Anyway, folded into, I can't think today. Anyway, it was like a little pocket thing to give at Christmas. These papers are gorgeous for that. Perfect for that. Oh, nice. It's like a junk journal in and of itself. What do we have here? Vintage. Ooh, that's pretty. Very vintage. Kind of graffiti-like. My boy. I have two boys. Oh, so cute. Jack and Jill collection. So cute. Antique mirror. Nice. Huh. And then we've got some letters and numbers. 12 by 12 embossed chipboard. No way! Embossed chipboard? Are you kidding me? Is it all the same? Oh my goodness. Have y'all ever used embossed chipboard? If you have, let me know what you've used it on. My goodness. I'd love to hear from you guys, so y'all are quiet. 12 by 12 embossed chipboard. Oh, I thought it was more than one. It's just one, so I guess it is all the same. That's really cool. You could paint. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I mean, just think if you put different colors. Seriously, let me know if you've used this and how you used it. I can even see spraying, like some of the Ranger sprays.
Sorry, I don't understand.
I wasn't talking to you, Alexa. Okay. She says okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's this? Build a book. Build a book. Okay. Let's see what this is. And then this is our last thing. I'm going to wrap up. Oh, yeah, because it's got the holes right there. I hope this video makes sense today because, like I said, I took some cold medicine and I just really not doing that great. Please peel protected sheet before using. Oh. Okay, well. Remove, yeah, so it's all these pieces to put into a book. So I will do this, and you know what? I'm going to hop off of here and make a new video of me putting this together, because that, I think it's going to be cool. All right, so thank you for watching. This has been so much fun, and I'm going to come back on and build a book. We'll see what we got here. Hey, I'm hopping back on because I was going to show you, you know, what we could do with this. Well, that's all it is. So we got the, you know, the holes over here. So, I mean, I guess what I could do is just cut it. I don't know. This is really stupid. That's all it is. I thought it was going to be all these little pieces here. I guess you got to order those. I don't know. It doesn't make sense to me. If y'all have ever done this, please let me know. But I'm not going to do a video, obviously, a separate video on this because that's all she wrote. Okay. Thanks for watching.